Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to find Moto app and click on it. Now choose those three lines at the top left corner and select Personalize. Over here you need to click on Themes and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Honey. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, go back and manage all of those theme options however you wish to. For example, you can only change icon shape. Then save your changes by clicking on the check mark at the bottom right corner. If you wish to go back into your default theme, you need to choose Themes, click on Moto one, wait and choose Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!